Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how moose leather furniture is made. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here, we meticulously balance leather's softness and durability, creating premium furniture that stands the test of time. Our materials are responsibly sourced and processed using environmentally conscious methods. Tumbling slowly to perfectly balance softness and durability for premium furniture. Humidity is holding at 45%.
Adjusting oil ratio to 65, temperature optimized, consistency is perfect.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. And that's how moose leather furniture is made, from start to finish.